Hi, this product is a great hydrating hair treatment mask from NutriHarmony. It is made with the top 5 ingredients. It is made with keratin, collagen, biotin, coconut oil, and argan oil. It has a great vanilla and argan oil scent, and it also has some rosemary oil, which is also very beneficial for dry, damaged, bleached, frizzy hair. I have hair that's curly, but it is frizzy, and I wanted a product that I could apply to just enhance my curls, keep them protected without having to apply heat to activate it. And that's what I found in this NutriHarmony hair mask. I really like it. I like this brand. I've used some of their other products and I really like them. This product is really good in several ways. You can use it as a conditioner when you shampoo. You can use it as a deep conditioner treatment and leave it on for extended time. Or you can leave it on overnight as a super conditioner and apply it to the tips for split-end control. I really like this. I think you will like it too. I've worn my hair after treating it in a curly fashion. I can also apply it and style my hair for a more smooth look. But this is a look that's most challenging to me that I really wanted extra protection with, and NutriHarmony gives that. This product was provided for me for my honest review, and I really like it. Highly recommend it.